So today we thought we'd try the Guess What's in the Box challenge. We all have our bags of stuff that we picked out. No one else knows what's inside. So let's get started. So this is what Tanner got. It's Carolyn's turn, and we're gonna put this in the box, okay?
I think we should lay it down because
Her
arms are too low and they can't reach that far.
Okay, Carolyn, you can come in.
Hey guys, I'm gonna talk.
Oh, you can't take it out of the box.
Is that a robot thing?
What's his name?
Nick?
Yeah, you peeked.
No, I didn't.
She didn't. You can just. No.
Hey, it's the pink man.
She got it.
She got me. He's almost dead.
Hi, man. Look over here, buddy.
Hey guys, so it's my.
I heard you guys.
See, I told you we shouldn't say it. Okay. Time for the next person to go out.
Go. I got this thing.
Okay, put it in.
Okay, Tiny, you can come in.
You have problems with the camera?
What? No.
Is the light good?
Wait, I gotta put this closer in.
Okay.
Ah, it's rolling out.
Okay.
What the? What the heck? What is? Wait a second. Is a Slinky?
Yeah.
Oh.
Put it in my bag.
Okay. Now it's time for the next person to go out.
Blue.
Okay, guys. So what I got for this round is I can't see it because he's right outside the door listening. but I think you guys know what this is. Except you'll probably guess what it is. Like this. You have a hard time figuring this out.
Yep, it's a red one.
Okay, Tanner, you can come in now.
Can you guess?
You can open it.
I know what it is. It's
What?
a toy snake.
Oh, you're good at this. Don't open through the hole in the
Hey, I'm also good at this.
Yeah, everyone's got it right so far. Okay, time for the next person. Okay, guys, so this is what Tanner got. It's a toy race car. Okay, put it in. One. Pinewood Derby car. Okay, you can go get her. Carolyn, come in.
It's on the left side, so that side.
No, it's not. No, I changed it.
Oh. Well,
It's your toy car.
Hey, don't take it out, remember? Don't take it
oh,
out, because it knocks over the light.
we didn't say if it was right. It's a Pinewood Derby car.
Well, basically, that's it.
Yeah, it's
So-
not saying.
Okay,
I got
now
it.
it's time for me to go out.
That's what I got.
Wait, put it down a little. That's what you got? Okay, put it in.
Triton, you can come in. Triton. Triton, you can come in.
Video?
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is Carolyn, right?
Uh-huh. It's more to the front.
Wait a second.
It opens.
Is this glue?
No.
Is it lipstick?
Yes.
Yeah.
No,
Wait,
it's
oh,
not the
it's
type
chapstick.
of. No.
What?
It's it's this kind of lipstick.
Yeah, that's chapstick.
Oh, it's chapstick. You got it.
On your second try, so you're the first one to get something not in first try.
Okay, next person. Hey guys, so what I got for this round is Play-Doh. I don't know if they'll notice, but if you'll know what it is, but let's see. Okay guys, I put it in a Ziploc bag. You're gonna go like this, tighten it up, see if he notices.
Tanner, come in.
Left or right? Left or right side?
You want? Okay, it's on the right, but don't bump the camera.
I don't.
Or I mean for you, it's on the left. I forgot.
Slime. What?
Close, but it's not slime.
Putty? No. Oh, what the?
Don't look.
Don't
Don't look, don't look. Do you give up?
Can I take it out?
Nope. You
No,
can't take it.
Take
Hey.
it out of the bag.
Oh yeah, but don't look.
Oh.
You're gonna get it once you take it out.
What the? What the heck is this?
You'll never get it.
You'll get it.
I'll get it someday.
What color is it?
It doesn't really matter. Hey, don't look! Don't look!
Trying to
Hey!
get it out of the.
Don't look.
What the?
Oh my, you're so bad at this.
Play-Doh.
Yep, Play-Doh. Finally, you got it. I thought it would take you a while if I put it in a bag. Okay, we just have a little bit more to go. Hey guys.
I got this battery.
No, it's not really. It's just a trigger.
I
Okay.
got the, it's like a battery. Yeah. You're gonna put it on Carolyn's right side. And Carolyn, you can come in.
Okay, but I'm just playing my phone.
You think you're so cool because you just are playing on. Okay, put it
Mom, I
down.
just want to play my phone.
It's not. It's just an old iPhone 5. Oh, don't pick it out.
Oh, I know.
Battery. What is it?
It's a minion thing.
Oh, you got it.
I knew it was this.
Okay, only a few more to go. Okay, she put in this.
I know you don't have anything. I know you that good.
Oh, wow. You passed it.
I could not have. Wait.
Right
Oh, it's so
there.
tiny.
I know.
Is it a stand?
No. You're wearing one right now.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It's a ring, isn't it?
Yes.
You gave him a clue.
It's okay. I kind of was guessing that too, Carolyn. It's okay. You can push pause.
Okay, guys. So what this is it's a marshmallow covered in Play-Doh.
I don't think he'll be able to realize what this is. Definitely not realize. Okay, Tanner, you can come in.
Something small.
Close it, close it, close it. How do you know? How do you know it's small?
I do not know what the heck is this. Wait. I covered it in Play-Doh.
Don't look, don't look. Don't look.
Oh,
What?
it's one of those things that Grandma likes. What is it called?
The circus peanuts? Yep, it's a circus peanut covered in. Okay, guys. So, what we got here is some shoelace. Some shoelace and tape keeping it together. Let's see if she.
You can come in now.
Carolyn, you can come in. Okay.
Okay, guys, she's about to come in. Okay, Karen, you can come in. Close the door.
What's there?
He's right there.
Oh.
Did you see it?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's minion hair.
Okay, well, we gotta get a new thing. Okay, guys, so she accidentally saw the last one. So what we have is magnets.
Okay. Let's see what they are.
Oh, yeah. We're only putting one in.
Okay, Carolyn, you can come in.
Carolyn!
Okay. She's coming.
Done?
Yep.
What's that noise?
Oh, Tanner just did my make. Did you see it again?
No,
Look back.
can't find.
You can't look in. You just.
I can't find it.
Hey, don't.
I
Just
can't find
don't
it.
look in. Don't look in.
I did. Look at that.
What is it?
Yeah. Something sticky. It's a magnet rock.
Yeah, you took it out. Why'd you take it out?
Oh.
Okay, guys. So we got this.
Teddy.
We got this. It is really slimy and stuff, you know? You know, guys? So we're putting it in. Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Did you end it?
Carolyn, see what I do? I just did. Okay, I know it's a sustainable, but I gotta guess what.
Stuff animal.
Nose. What the heck? There's eyes. Nose. Hands. Flounder. Is it flounder?
Yeah!
Okay.
It's
Now
my
I go
printer.
out. Do you have one more? Yep, this is the last one. Okay, guys. So we got this again. But no, what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is we got this and we got this. This is the main thing he has to guess. We're gonna go because why would we put this in this? He's not gonna guess it. Phone battery, Play-Doh.
But since this is the last one,
We also have one more thing. He's not gonna guess it with this. Okay, Tanner, you can come in.
is it something small again?
Close it. It's two things. Well, actually, kind of three things. That's the first thing. Don't look.
It's from your science kit.
Yep. Okay, now put it away. Put it. Hey, don't mix it with that. Don't mix it with that stuff.
Put it away.
Okay, just leave it like that.
I can put
Okay.
it away.
Hey, no. Hey. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. Grab the next thing.
I
That
got.
you felt.
I found two.
But you gotta guess what it is. Hey. No, you already found it. You already found it.
Oh, that was a phone.
No, you already found it right there. Remember? You just pushed it to the side. Yeah.
More Play-Doh.
Okay. Well, hey, don't look.
Cup.
No.
Little tiny cup thing.
No, but what's in it?
I already said Play-Doh.
No, in the cup with the
Oh.
Play-Doh.
What is this? A little platform thingy?
No.
I do not know what it is.
That's why it's the hardest one.
It's something. These are all from your science kit, though.
It's not.
Oh, it's a battery.
What kind?
Samsung?
Yep, it's a phone battery. Okay, guys. So we had a lot of fun in this round. Thank you for watching. We're gonna make some more videos like this in the future if you guys like and subscribe. So keep watching our videos. Thank you. Bye, guys.
I hope they're